Mindful patio cooking. Picking fresh herbs, lots of basil, green and purple, thyme, mint, look at that, beautiful, rosemary and marjoram. We got some cherry tomatoes, fresh from the garden, some beans, giving it a good rinse, washing them thoroughly. Prepping your aromatics, we got lots of onions, lots of olive oil. Season it with pink Himalayan salt and lots of herbs. Mindfully peel the garlic one by one, inhaling that aroma. Pour in your water or vegetable stock and grains of your choice. Add your basil, rosemary, marjoram. Cover and simmer, and let it simmer slowly. Add your pearl couscous, keeping an eye on your pot. If the water dries up, feel free to add more liquid. On a separate pan, sear your vegetables. High heat on a cast iron really gives it a nice caramelized crust. Pour it over the grains. Then cook your mushrooms. Add more oil. Let all the flavors merge, play, and intertwine. While cooking, use your sensual cues, visual and hearing, and of course, smell. Cooking and growing your own food will help you become more mindful of each and every step and each and every component of your food. Add it to your pot, add some herbs as well, and appreciate what you did and share it with friends and family. Enjoy.